Guys, if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Spanish Village Arts Center. The Spanish Village Arts Center is located in San Diego's Balboa Park in the U.S. state of California. Annie von Westrom Balda was among the artists who had studio space at the Spanish Village. Current tenants include the San Diego Mineral and Gem Society and the Southern California Association of Camera Clubs. History. The Art Center was originally designed and constructed by architect Richard Requa for the second year of the California Pacific International Exposition in 1935. Although the center was intricately designed to provide simple Spanish architecture, it was not created with longevity in mind, likely to be demolished after the exhibition. That was until painter and photographer Sherman Treese advocated for local artists and proposed that the space be converted into an artist community, in which the empty buildings become art studios and storefronts. During World War II, the Arts Center became a station for the U.S. Army, forcing the artists away from their spaces. The buildings were left in poor condition by the Army after the war ended, but the artists moved back into their spaces in 1947. The artists were allowed these spaces for free as long as they covered renovation expenses and repaired the buildings themselves. During the 1980s, in an attempt to attract more guests to the Arts Center, artists banded together to paint the many tiles laid in the ground, which are believed to be made of the ruins of demolished buildings in the 1930s. Today, artists are still part of a large community as part of a membership program, but must pay the city of San Diego for the spaces in which they work. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Continue with the beautiful images of this place. Subscribe to my channel. Click like to let me know you like the video. Comment where else you would like me to make more videos, and share with the people you would like to bring here.